Jacaranda Insights for Friday the 7th of June 2024. 3 major arcana cards today, and the first one is the Hermit, but it's in reverse, number 9 of the major arcana story. So just know, I don't think that we're in reverse of being the Hermit, because the Hermit just means that you've been out in the cold, looking within, you've taken responsibility for some of the mistakes that you've made in your lifetime, and that's that knowledge that you're gaining there. But it's sort of an uncomfortable place that most of us have to visit at some stage in our lives, or we end up hitting the bottle and numbing it all. So I think that that's in reverse, saying that you're not in solitary confinement any longer. You're not out in the snow doing the hard work. You're actually ready to explode onto the scene with that positive energy and with that knowing that you've been in touch with a higher place and a higher intelligence. So you only can find that if you stop and really look at yourself under the microscope. So the next card, Major Arcana card, the Tower in reverse, is fitting with that to me, because this is sudden change when it's upright. It's like a lightning bolt hitting something that's really solid and sturdy, like a belief system or behavioural patterns that you've been locked into from parental intervention, or a mentor that's let you down, or a marriage or a relationship, things that have let you down, and it's all of a sudden a change. And it can be even really to do with the world at the moment, with the governments and that you normally rely on. They're pretty unstable, aren't they? So some lightning strike could happen in the world today. So just know that when it's in reverse, I do think that it's to do with us breaking free and understanding our true selves and coming home to the uniqueness of ourselves. So it's organic change that we're going to make now. We're not going to be wanting to be on that hamster wheel working for somebody else. We're finding that we get more nourishment and health and wealth and happiness from doing what we really love to do. And that just comes home with the Star. And I have to be careful because of the nudity. It got taken down the other day. This card's been up about 3 times this week. So just know that the Star, this is you, the shining bright light that you are, and all your ancestors and guides and guardians and those invisible feelings that you have had when you were the Hermit, and you coming back to that really the reality that there is another side of life, that it can't be just about functioning and getting through the day. There's more to life than that. There's a spiritual side. And I also think that you've realized that you need to nurture yourself by giving yourself that emotional support, having that rest, and then you can pour that water onto the real world with all these little plants here. They're all little explosions and ideas and projects that you'd like to start. And you know what? I love the bird. The bird means freedom in the tarot. So it's a very wonderful day of massive evolving that you've done. So pat yourself on the back, guys. So 9 and 16 and 17, 16 and 17, and 9, that's 42, and 4 plus 2 is 6. In numerology, that's a temporary opportunity today. So look out for something that could come along that will allow you to shine your brightest light. Yay! Have a lovely day.